and discuss very important one in your Twitter account. Suppose you are using by Twitter. On Twitter, you can log in multiple browsers and multiple mobiles. Suddenly, you can log in one particular system. Is the login or logout? How to check? First of all, your question. Your particular time you are login. Unfortunately, you are not logged out by particular Twitter account, on particular mobile or particular desktop. You can access your any desktop and any mobile you can using by your Twitter application. There is desktop and the mobile. That option is called Twitter setting and privacy. Setting and privacy. In this option call is apps and device. The Twitter login for how many profiles? See this one. Mix.com, TikTok, Periscope, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram. This will be accessed by your total Twitter account. Any access will be not required. Just revoke access. This will be one of the applications. Second one, how many PCs, how many mobile you can log in? See this current device. Using by Samsung, Windows, particular. Anything will be not required, click for logout. Anything not required, click for logout. How many mobiles you can log in? Everything you can check by your application. Which is not required, click for logout. Here, how many pieces you are logging in your Twitter account? Everything give information by your Twitter profile. That is called setting and privacy, apps and your device option. So always remember, apps and device is very important. How many devices using by your Twitter login? Mix, TikTok, Periscope, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, iOS, QP, and Trend.com, Audience Pro, Samsung Mobile, Shoot, Tumblr, Delicious, Poker, Google. These all will using by your Twitter logins. Anything is not required, click for revoke. How many devices, how many desktop will use? If anything, you can log out using by the logout option. This is very important by your Twitter option. You can check by your total history, how many you are using by particular options. That all will be given by the apps and the device option.